I don't. We were talking about a lot of things.
No, I'm saying the beat.
Oh, the beat. The beat. The squeeze. Don't put the squeeze on. Okay.
You feel me? Okay. It's hot. This shit's hot. I'm stepping on the cypher, cuz.
Hot. 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 Juggle the mic, but when I get on it, yo, I just grab it so tight. You motherfuckers playing a game like it's volleyball. No one knows your name, cause I'm coming on the scene and I'm coming fucking mean, cause I'm tired of you motherfuckers coming not clean. Yes, goddamn dirty, you be on the mic just fucking flirting, and I'm fucking married to this goddamn game. You motherfuckers is driving me insane, and I have no more patience. I'm like a doctor who ain't got no more work, kid. So I'm gonna fucking slice and dice, cause I ain't fucking playing it twice. I don't wanna speak my mind more than once. If I have to, it might be absurd, cause once I do, you will be fucking done. And this motherfucker is the best under the sun, and I get fucking hot and twisted and gifted. These motherfuckers about to be non-existent. So let me pass the mic, cause I'm done for a second and he's got something nice.
Put the squeeze, put them to ease. When you hold their throats closed and they don't breathe, and then they dead, cause we just put them to rest. 6 feet under, that's where you'll be laying, son. So here we go, we paving you over with new roads and going to new studios and blowing new domes. Any piece that comes into our existence, it will be disgraced and deleted off this planet, man. We'll banish you to the next fucking Spanish zoo. It's all good, and you can fucking go and live there with your whole family, your ugly bitch and her sister, and it's all good. You can all listen to her and get some when I put the squeeze on your whole fucking throne and your clan and your family, and then you're bland and you fucking tasteless, cause I put you to waste, bitch. I'm so spicy, fires in my veins, kid. It's all good, I fucking go raw at you with this verbal onslaught of atomic bomb snot. It's all good, and you're covered and you're spread and you're laced, and I put you to waste, like I said.
Oh man! Yo, I gotta go up after that. Whoa. Okay. Just real shit? Just squeeze shit? Okay. Yo, we talking about the squeeze, kid. Like citrus and orange juice, that shit's mango, and it's all citrus. Born in the African lands of existence. Yo, why don't you step up? Because I shatter MCs and crush your dome. While you sitting on the microphone, you best drop that shit. Use a clown, you should be in the circus. Go see, Circus of Olay, because your motherfuckers can't hear my style, kid. Now, when I step through and boom, I blow you out the scene, I blow you out your fucking shoes. You ain't ready to see me, I spit hot fire. I drink 100 proof alcohol and set the shit on fire. Yo, you can't see, there's a battery running low, so you best plug your shit in and go, because when we rip the microphone, shit can slow down. These motherfuckers is clowns, because when I step off the mic, it goes down. Yo, I'm ready to give you a 1-2 right in your motherfucking eye, kid. Use a punt, use a G, and the shit went black lyrically, because I pull the shit down, I pull your contrast card and broke the brightness, because I spit the highest rap type of flow. I just became a flow. Yo, who the fuck came back the back door? I can't see, but I rip lyrically. The microphone drops and I'm out. Peace. What happened?
You good, bro?
Is that okay?
What happened?
That was ill, dog.
I had to, shit popping up,
Nothing
bro.
left. There's nothing left.
Hold on,
There's nothing left.
Yeah, you should stop.
Dude, hey, shit popping on.
Where can I plug this in?